Welcome back to Curriculum Mapping with G Suite. In today's video, I'm going to focus on archiving strategies. So maybe some of you have come quite far in this process and you're starting to discover, wait a minute, how do I keep the unit planner from becoming a sort of graveyard for unused or underutilized or unwanted unit planners? How do I ensure that the Data Studio visualization is the most accurate representation of what's available currently in our curriculum? So that's where an archiving strategy comes in. And I'm going to share with you what I've done in our environment, and perhaps you could create something similar in yours. So the first thing I did was I created a sort of parking lot for archive unit planners. So the unit planners, when they are generated, are automatically put into the unit planner folder. And aside from our Director of Teaching and Learning and the curriculum account, nobody has edit access to this location. Similarly, I've created an archive location. And we can see here we have a number of files or unit planners that have been archived simply by typing the word #archive anywhere in the file name. And in a moment we'll get into some app scripting that shows how this is possible to move files based on their file name. So the strategy is to simply write a short app script that runs shortly before the relisting of the files. So I've created this function called archive unit, and what this is doing is it's taking our unit planner folder, which is this one, and the target folder, which would be the archive folder. And then it's looking for a pattern in the file names in this loop. So it's searching through all the files in the unit planner folder. And if it finds one that has #archive, it's going to remove it from the unit planner folder and add it to the archive folder. So again, this happens just one time prior to the relisting of the files. So in order for this archive to be successful, you certainly have to communicate the fact that in order for teachers to move files, they will need to type #archive prior or anywhere in the file name in order to have them moved out of the current listing of unit planners, but not completely deleted. So this is great for maybe you have units on books you're not teaching one year, or there was a unit you taught last year but are not doing it this year. Maybe you've changed grade levels. There's a whole lot of reasons for why an archive may be useful, but mainly I see it as a point to, as a parking lot to keep unit planners and to bring them back into the map later if needed, or just to consult things that aren't necessarily active. So there you have it. This is the strategy for archiving unit planner folders, and I will again post this code into the Google Plus community for you to play with. Thanks for watching.